correct me if I'm.
Reloading. Give me a sec. Down to another. Reloading.
That other people can't.
You're
So
in a
when
kill
I'm
zone.
listening to his call,
Down to target. I just dusted an entire unit. Hell yeah.
I'll go for on your victory.
Reloading.
Right guys, just before the video start, I just want to ask for 3 likes, okay? If you guys could give me 3 likes only, that's all I ask. Let's go to the video. 3 likes in each account that you guys have. Let's go to the video, baby.
Attention. First blood.
First blood. Good thing it's not us.
Now what is... I don't think this is useful, right? Alright, whatever. These guys are close.
Major move.
They spotted me. Boy jumping.
New kill leader. Go on. Watch
Reloading. Killed an enemy.
There's 2 other teams.
Need to recharge my shields. Patching myself up.
I am taking fire.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Come true, baby. Oh, I hate those little things.
Enemy taken out.
Scout is my favorite weapon right now. Shoot. Still chill outside.
Deploying health drone.
I swear to God, I heard like
Spotted.
2 of
Taking
them.
fire.
My teammates are so far away. Like I'm literally playing alone right now.
I'm down.
Oh, the peacekeeper. I'll take that. Oh.
Look at me.
Got him.
You're being attacked.
Dude, I'm trying to change the weapon.
Closing.
Dude, how many shots I gotta...
Myself up.
Not this time, buddy. I downed 2, I think,
Package
right?
being delivered.
Alright.
New kill leader appointed.
Ooh.
I'm the new
Kill
kill
leader.
leader.
Huh.
Healing up.
She talked
Eyes
with
are
me.
open though. Recharging my shields. Half the squads are gone.
Alright, there's 2 squads now.
Boy jumping.
Maybe there's 2 more. They went downstairs. No helmets. Oh my god, I'm fucked.
Look out, grenade.
Bro.
Spotted me. I'm taking shots.
Dude, his teammate was literally above me. Oh my god, that was terrifying. Oh, this game is amazing. That was really terrifying. Can you pick that up? Oh. Oh, he had gold stuff. Oh, okay. Alright.
Phasing.
I know there's more teams here. So gotta be careful. What does this thing does?
Patching myself up.
Round
Oh, I know. That is the food.
countdown.
The
Good.
Phoenix one.
Inside the next ring.
It's too quiet. I don't like this. You know, there's more people. Right, let's go up. Scissors. Oh my god, that was close.
Avoid running.
I can't open. Jesus Christ, I didn't know I couldn't open. I could not open, I mean. It's gonna be a monster flank. It's 2 more squads, I think. It's not just one. There's always 2 more squads. Oh my god. That's a sponge over there. Hey, Mr. Bob Sponge.
Need to recharge my shields.
They're all camping that, I think.
Avoid running.
Care package being delivered.
Take your shots.
Oh, there's 2 more teams. I know it.
You're in view of the enemy.
They're fighting with each other. Dude, they're literally fighting with each other. And they think I'm in one of their teams. Oh my god.
Need to recharge my shields.
Alright, there's one there. That dude is fighting the guy inside the house, I think. Oh. Shit. I didn't mean to jump. Hello? There we go. Alright, one knock. There's 2 more to go.
You're in a hot zone.
Let's go. Oh! There's one!
Avoid running.
Jesus Christ. That was the scariest moment in this game so far. It
Healing
is
up.
the big boy hill.
Eyes are open though.
Oh, let's f***ing go, baby. I saw him. I think he saw me too.
Sniper. Going to phase.
He should get a knock. Is that a kill? I think it is. Yeah, it was a kill. You guys, dude, I think I saw a guy there, like below me.
In progress. Yes, inside the next room. Delivering care package.
What the hell? Oh, that's a distraction. I got you, buddy. It's true, man.
They spotted us. I'm taking shots. Going to phase. Heads up.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard. Oh boy. The rockets know.
Taking damage.
I might be able to tank the blue. Yo, that might be the play. That might be the play. I'm just gonna tank the blue. I mean the yellow. I have enough heals for them. And this backpack, he give me like fast heal.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
That's a nice play. Oh, he did. Oh, he did not got knocked. What the hell?
Catching myself up.
Alright, that was a good play though. Anyways,
Just a minute until the ring closes, huh?
I'll take it.
Good. It's not far. "45 until ring close. It's near. Easy."
I wonder where the hell they're hiding now. That's so scary.
30 seconds.
Yeah, I don't know why I like that much of scary moments in games. This game is amazing. They're not in my flank. That's weird. They might be there.
Only 10 seconds left.
I'm going there. I don't care.
Warning. Ring movement in progress. Recharging my shields.
Right, they're right. I think they're already like in front of me. It's not possible to stay in this blue. I mean yellow, whatever it is. It hits hard, I think, right? I don't know.
Round 5. Beginning ring countdown.
Is that a guy? What the hell are you doing, buddy? What the? Oh my god, I'm pushing that. let's go, baby.
Only
We got this.
packing myself up.
2 squad left. I mean, I have 1 squad, right? Because I'm 1 squad and the other one is the other squad. I guess. I don't know.
1 minute until ring close.
Got a big boy here. Alright, let's go. Got this.
Ring's not that far.
I don't really like those variable zones. Prefer the red dot.
30 seconds until close. You're being aimed at.
The movement in this game is so cool. Oh boy. Ay, 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 ay. Let's fucking go, baby. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, man. Oh my god, that was a hell of a fucking gameplay, man.
You are the Apex champions.
Hey, Apex champion, by the way. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video until here. If you did watch, I want you to comment in the section below more Apex. Yeah. And also, man, this is a new video, so I really appreciate you guys supporting this because it's a new game. I'm gonna keep doing the siege videos for sure, but if you guys really can help me out, dropping the like, flick on that like right now, this is gonna mean the world for me. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.
Bye.